got one of the whips of the night. There's gonna be some more people pulling up. Baba got a Bupra. Yeah, hello.
Yeah, hello.
Okay, got a little trunk lid. Hold on, guys. I gotta turn my ISO up. Gotta love the S65. This sounds clean. How do you like Bupra?
Yeah, hello. I like it.
You like?
Nice. It's very fun.
Okay, you got some of the gang pulling up. Ooh, that's hard, bro. Green on the gold. Oh, Meisters. Sheesh.
The wall was over there.
Yeah, sorry. Look at all the wheels on the cars.
That shit's so clean. You don't see that, bro. Green on the gold. Yeah. GTR. We're gonna turn this bitch on. Shit looks like a Batmobile, bro.
You're home? The holding thing.
Check this out.
I
Z06 brakes. Laguna? It's nice. Damn. Boosted E46? That shit sounds so sick. Damn. Sounds crazy. Full titanium exhaust. This looks so good, red on the gold. So clean. Ah, gotta love that RB. Is that a twin disc, dog? Oh, that thing sounds so nice, bro. Man down. Man down. Oh shit, it's starting to rain.
We're gonna push it.
No,
Oh, the coolant lines popped or something. She was leaking hella coolant.
I started smelling. I smelled it and
Fuck. This combo is so nasty. Gold ED8s, green, slick top. Shit's sick, bro. It's so clean. I love the setup. I want to ride in this shit. My boy with the Meisters. That's my swag for sure. I'm not the biggest R33 fan, you guys know that, but some of them properly done do look really good. Shit looks black at night. Oof. These wheels chromed out. Damn, that shit would be bust in. I don't even know if you guys can see the purple. Where's the tow man at? Meisters. Love it. Yeah. We're in Japan. Why not? Plenty of parking. Spot's pretty sick. It reminds me of that one spot in like Japan that everybody goes to. It's like the perfect spot to throw a meet. I was thinking about throwing a meet. I don't want to throw a meet without having like my own car or something. Maybe when I come back one day, guys, I'll bring the S15 and I'll throw a big ass meet right here. Because you can't really get kicked out because you gotta pay for parking. This would be sick, bro. I know you guys will show mad love and pull up because I know I can fill this whole lot up, bro, if I do a meet. Sheesh, look at that thing. Where are you going, sir? Yeah, guys, check this thing out. Oof. This thing's hard. Always tweaking. Guys, we stopped here at this little like hole in the wall spot. It's pretty fire. I really like this guy's E46. The setup is so clean, so simple, bro. It's like literally just coils, wheels. But you guys know me, man. I love my simple shit. Like a nice color, nice wheels. Like that's all cars need, man. You buy a nice car with a nice body, you don't need to do a lot of shit to it. Oh shit, I might get hit. But this is the spot right here. It's called Mary's. Shit was fire. I got the steak sandwich. Gas. I think we're gonna be riding in this on the way back. I think it's on the 800 ECU right now, and then he has a flip of a switch. I think he has like the 1,000 horsepower ECU or some shit. But this thing is crazy. It sounds so nice. Hopefully the cam's picking up the audio good on this car. This thing is nasty. We're hopping in the Silver Bullet. Oh man, race car with AC?
Bro, you know it, dude. Piping AC also.
Oof.
to get all the turbo noises, you can just listen.
Oh, ah
Like
man,
this.
sounds beautiful. Drives super good. Nothing like getting squirrely with all-wheel drive.
Yeah. Look at my tire, my guy. Low? It's low. Oh, it's low.
Driving right now, it was
No,
bouncing.
when I went to fucking brake, it's just like
Yeah, we couldn't really send it because the tire is low. So maybe next time, guys.
I was like, yo, where's the one? He should be like, there's no reason why my car should be up.
Should have been flying, but it's all good. That thing's sick though. That shit looks hella nice driving on the road.
Oh, yeah, bro.
Yeah, that shit looks nice. Alright guys, that's all she wrote. Super sick spot. Has some crazy whips. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This thing's pretty nasty.
Huh? If you want, yeah, I'm done.
So yeah guys, shout out my guy over here, Eddie. If you guys need a car, you know what to do. Ran to a We need a tune! A random G80.
Damn, that shit is loud, bro.
Then you go put a downpipe on this thing real quick. That was funny. Sheesh, the views though.